talking over me. Unbelievable. Anyway, I need to ask a favour.
What is your favour?
Well,
Not that same one that you asked me ages ago.
No, I went to the doctors about that. Anyway, the favour. This is the problem I've got, you see. I've been getting a little bit of abuse for my soldering online, but thankfully you did a soldering video which has sorted that out.
You did get a bit. But there's a lot of people out there
Who know how to solder. They're experts.
They are experts.
They are experts.
They say you don't want to do it like that. You don't want to do it like this. You want to get some of this. You want to.
Can you remember the old Harry Enfield sketch? You don't want to go down the M25. You've got down the M11.
Yeah. This one, you mean?
You know.
I know.
When we go racing. I've got lots of cars.
You've got lots of cars.
And I try to race all my cars.
And you try to race all of them. You make us look bad, I've told you.
I'll make us look like we have fun. So, at the moment, there isn't a truck series going on.
Good.
So, I put my truck on the shelf.
Good.
I recently bought you your own truck. And you basically threw it back in my face.
But you know I don't do the truck racing, don't you?
Anyway, so
go on.
I'm all sorted for trucks.
Okay, go on.
But the car that I'm really enjoying at the moment is this one here. This is my Tamiya F104 Pro version 2. F1 car, foam tyres, happy days. This car has had a lot of runtime of late. Unfortunately, it runs 64 DP. I want to take it back to 48 DP. I've basically chewed up the spur gear. Now, I've ordered a new spur gear.
Okay.
But to fit the new spur gear on this, because the spur gear is not a Tamiya one, I need to get this little washer thing. This little washer thing's coming all the way from Hong Kong. Currently, it's on a ferry somewhere in the ocean on its way over.
Goodness me.
So I don't know how long it's going to be till I get this car out next. So, therefore, my Cub Racing, got my old TTO1, which I've been running.
What's wrong with that?
Unfortunately, there's a few bits on the table.
Oh, is that what this is?
Yeah, that's the bit that snapped. So that bit's broken.
You know what the problem is here?
What?
It's all got something in common, isn't it?
What?
With the Tamiya. Well, I keep telling you about Tamiya cars, don't I?
Okay, alright. If it's all Tamiya.
Go on.
I've also recently I was really enjoying, until you ruined it, I was really enjoying running my Schumacher Cougar Classic.
Okay.
Box stock, level racing and all that jazz, right?
Oh, yeah.
Really enjoyed that. Unfortunately, the old lay shaft's gone on it.
The old lay shaft.
So I need to put a new one in.
The old lay shaft. You've got a problem with your lay shaft.
Yeah, but
I have heard that.
Because I've got this one to do, I've got my Tammys to do, I've got a Mini I'm trying to fix up. I haven't got time to do the Cougar.
Tell you what I do for you. Because you so very kindly, and it's the thought that counts, bought me that truck, but I very kindly gave it back to you and said, I think you should have that. I'll take this Cougar Classic of yours, the Schumacher Cougar Classic, and I don't mind a little fettle of a Schumacher car. These are quite easy to do, so I'll sort the old lay shaft out. You know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do with it?
Nothing. Just do the lay shaft, give it back to me, 15 turn.
You
brush.
still want a brush motor in it?
I'm staying true to my word. I'm running that stock.
You don't want.
The thing is, we're going to be running that at the old Booth event, aren't we?
The Phil Booth GP
at Silverstone. Same club that did the MKGP.
Yeah, we know that's going to be a good event.
It's going to be good. That reminds me. Go on. That massive order you put in for yourself recently.
No, for us, but yeah, go on.
Well, did you get us some honeycombs?
Oh, what, the tyres?
The tyres. And the wheels.
No, but I want to ask the punters out there, so do we run the honeycomb tyres with inserts in the front? I'm pretty sure we do.
So you want inserts in the front?
I don't know. I'm asking. Oh, we've never run them things before, have we? We are honeycomb virgins, boss. We have never run them before. I mean, I like the sound of them because I think they're going to be a little bit kind of
little bit loose on the back end.
I think so. I think
Nice.
so. I think they're going to have a loose back end, but I don't know. But someone will just put in the comments.
Tell us what we need. We need the wheels, we need the inserts, we need the tyres.
Yeah. So, what have you got that can run then? The LD3, is this good to go?
LD3,
I mean, it looks alright.
I think, is good to go.
That is a nice car, isn't
It's
it?
a lovely car. But, I'll tell you what.
What?
I might do some tweaking with it.
What are you going to do?
Well, I was thinking, right? I've just spotted on the old Wheel Speed website,
Yeah.
they do the 5-gear transmission for that now.
Do they really?
And I'm tempted.
Well, it's funny you should say that because we very much like the wheel speed
We
hop-ups, don't we, of these cars?
Do you know what? That reminds me, actually. That little series you were doing recently with the whole, this is my car and you do it.
Oh, yeah.
You should do one of those with my Wheel Speed.
Ah, the in-review.
Yeah, the in-review thing.
All right, well, I'll tell you what, then give me your wheel speed car and I'll take it back to my little studio and I'll do a little in-review on the wheel speed RF3 conversion of
It is
your Lotte.
Stunning, yeah.
Good idea. I'll do that, and
You can
then.
do that.
But we've got some really good news about wheel speed, ain't we? But I'll release that. I'll talk about that when I do the video. Shall I? All
Do
right,
it.
Cool. All right.
Sounds like a plan. Anyway, there's links down in the description below. Do check out their website. If you've got the associated B7. They've got the bits for that, haven't they? They've got some
and
bits
again,
for this.
I could do another little. Yeah, I mean.
It's all good. Anyway, going back to my broken cars.
Go on.
We're planning to get over to Mill End soon.
Yes, we are.
Unfortunately, I've broken my lunchbox.
You got a broken lunchbox.
I've got a broken
Is
lunchbox.
it not working?
No.
Your lunchbox doesn't work.
It don't, no.
That
Can you remember the last
is
time I
bad.
took it out and it was like a dog wiping its butt on the carpet?
Oh
It was.
yeah.
I haven't fixed it yet.
Yeah. Last time you took that lunchbox out.
That wasn't good, was it?
You broke it, but it was funny, wasn't it?
It was funny. So that car's out of action at the moment. And then the XV01.
The XV, the rally car.
Yeah, I want to run that soon too.
Right. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do.
Because I think the weather's changing. We need to get over to Mill End.
Right. Let's go to Mill End. Right. We'll do a video on it because I've heard they've done some work over there.
They've done loads of
Rich and Mark. Them two absolute legends they are.
They know how to mow a lawn, they do.
They know how to mow. They know how to make a track, let me tell you. They know how to make a club. So let's go down there before the season properly opens up and we'll show you lot what they've done and we'll take the rally cars. I'll take the Rolalo car there.
The Rolalo.
That's one of my favourites.
That is one of your favourites.
Love
Link
that
in the
car.
description down below for the Rolalo car.
car.
That reminds me,
Go on, what?
I might get the old PG Tips car out again.
Yeah, you could do that, couldn't you? Yeah.
It's quite good.
I'll take the FTX Carnage as well. Quite enjoy that car.
Yeah.
We've got loads of cars, haven't we?
And I've got a question for you guys.
What is it?
I am looking for a new short course truck this year. I love the Zorro. I love the Apache. What shall I get next? I need a new one. Actually, the HBI was a fantastic little ripper as well, weren't it? When we took the old jump shot out.
That was good. That was 2-wheel drive. Do you want a 4-wheel drive one, don't you?
I think if we're going to go on grass and stuff, I might prefer a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'll take that there too. Who knows?
See what happens.
See
mate.
what
See what
happens.
happens. All right then. So we've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline coming up.
But how long, right? Seriously, the Boofy event is coming up very soon.
Yeah.
I need that sorted. It's
will-
just the lay shaft. You should be able to get that done
I
in a couple
will
of
do
hours.
that, and I will only do the laser.
Couple of hours, you reckon?
Yeah, but you. Hey, listen. You can't rush perfection. I've told you that. They know that. I will take my time. This will be done when it is done.
Yeah, but I need to test it out first, don't I? So I need it done.
All right. Well, let me sort
The
it
quicker
out.
you get it out, the quicker we get back over to Stevenage for some vintage racing. And weather's getting better. Hearts, outdoor.
Oh yeah, heart.
And in fact, I want to run that over at Mill End as well. So
all right, okay. So
pull your finger out, get it sorted, make it happen.
I will do that for you because we're mates, ain't we? And we're YouTube buddies and that, ain't we? So
Sounds like a
we'll
plan.
do that. Yeah.
Anyway, we're waffling now.
We are. Yeah. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you on another one.